If your Wells Fargo debit card is lost, stolen, or damaged, the first step is to report it immediately. You can do this through the Wells Fargo mobile app version 8.0 or later by calling their 24/7 hotline at 1-800-869-3557 or via the online banking portal. Reporting the card immediately activates a temporary hold on your account, preventing unauthorized charges. Following a 2023 data breach incident affecting major banks, Wells Fargo implemented mandatory biometric verification, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, for replacements to prevent fraud. Wells Fargo uses real-time fraud monitoring via AI algorithms to flag suspicious activity. Remember that under federal law, Regulation E, you have limited liability for unauthorized charges reported within 60 days. Once you've reported your card, you can order a replacement. The easiest way is through the Wells Fargo mobile app, where you can request a new card via in-app chatbots. In 2024, Wells Fargo rolled out an upgraded mobile app allowing instant card lock, reporting, and replacement requests via in-app chatbots. Replacement cards now often include contactless NFC features. Expect the new card to arrive within 2 to 5 business days via expedited FedEx shipping. Fees range from $0 to $10 depending on account type. For example, free for premium accounts. Once received, activate the card through the app or by calling the provided number. The new card will come with a temporary PIN, which you can change through the app or by phone for security purposes. Keep an eye on your account for any suspicious activity.